Talosa is a proposed future city concept that aims to create a sustainable, technologically advanced urban environment in the United States. The project is spearheaded by a private investment firm called TelUrban, founded by entrepreneur Mark Lore, who is also the former CEO of Walmart e-commerce. The estimated budget for building Talosa is $400 billion, making it a significant undertaking. The vision behind Talosa is to construct a fully sustainable and equitable city that can accommodate a population of around 5 million people. The city is intended to be developed from scratch and would incorporate cutting-edge technologies, green energy sources, and forward-thinking urban planning principles. The primary goal of Talosa is to address various challenges faced by traditional cities, such as inequality, housing affordability, environmental sustainability, and transportation. The city's design emphasizes walkability, access to green spaces, and efficient public transportation systems, which could potentially reduce dependence on private vehicles and promote a more sustainable lifestyle. Talosa is expected to feature smart infrastructure incorporating technologies like renewable energy sources, autonomous vehicles, and advanced waste management systems. The aim is to create a high-tech connected city that leverages data and automation to improve the quality of life for its residents. Here are the 7 amazing facts about Talosa. Number 7. Ambitious scale. Talosa is planned to be a fully functional city accommodating around 5 million people. It aims to create a new urban paradigm with a balance between nature and technology. Number 6. Sustainable design. One of the core principles of Talosa is sustainability. The city is designed to be environmentally friendly, featuring renewable energy sources, water conservation systems, and green spaces integrated throughout the urban fabric. Number 5. Smart infrastructure. Talosa will embrace advanced technology and data-driven solutions to improve efficiency and enhance the quality of life for its residents. The city plans to integrate smart grids, autonomous vehicles, and various other cutting-edge innovations. Number 4. Resilience and safety. Talosa aims to be resilient in the face of natural disasters and other challenges. The city will be built with sustainable building materials and will incorporate advanced infrastructure to withstand potential hazards such as earthquakes and floods. Number 3. Economic opportunities. The city intends to create a thriving economy that provides a wide range of job opportunities. Talosa aims to attract a diverse set of industries, including technology, manufacturing, and research and development, to fuel its economic growth. Number 2. Cultural diversity. Talosa aims to be a diverse and inclusive city, welcoming people from various backgrounds. The plan includes cultural and recreational spaces promoting a vibrant and inclusive community. Number 1. Philanthropic vision. The project is spearheaded by billionaire entrepreneur Mark Lore, who aims to fund the majority of the $400 billion required to build Talosa through his foundation. The philanthropic aspect of the project aims to address social and economic inequality of providing affordable housing and other resources for underserved communities. Talosa is still a proposed project and the actual realization and implementation of the city are subject to future developments and feasibility studies.
Did you enjoy this video? Check out other clips of Amazing 7 and be sure to subscribe and ring the bell to be notified our latest videos.